this video we're going to implement a speed control system. We want the aircraft to move along the runway at a specific airspeed. Here's the airspeed indicator. Say 40 knots, and we'll build a control system to make it do it. And let's have a quick look at the block diagram. So this is a typical control system. We have a set point which is 40 knots. Over here on the right hand side we will have the measured value, which is the airspeed. We then subtract the measured value from the set point to give the error. The error will then be processed by the control code which we're going to write, and that will give an actuator value, which is the throttle, between 0 and 1 to drive the aircraft. And so we'll try and get this working. So let's bring our code in. This is our basic code from the basic demo. We need to just put in the set points. Let's have set point 1. Let's make it 40. Then we need to declare the variable for the error, E1. What else do we need? Two more variables, A1 and MV1. A1 is the actuator, which is the throttle, and then measured value 1, which is going to be the airspeed. So I've got a 1 on the end of each of these because you may end up having many different controllers for different parameters, you know, airspeed, rate of climb, etc., direction. Coming down to the code now, these are the initial conditions which are fine at time is t equals 0. We can delete all this because that was just in there for the demo. We need to leave that there because that's talking to the aircraft. And in here, let's have if t is greater or equal to, say, 5 seconds. This is in 50 is 5 seconds. Then we'll implement the controller. So let's do. We need to. We have the set point, which we've set above. Set point 1 equals 40. We need the measured value, so MV1 equals aircraft, and then we need the airspeed. And we need to work out the error. Error equals set point 1, take away measured value 1. We have the control system in that box, and just to keep it simple, I'll just implement the on-off controller. So if E1 is greater than 0, then we'll have actuator 1 equals 1. Otherwise, actuator 1, which is throttle, equals 0. And then we need to say that the aircraft throttle is actually connected to the actuator. Aircraft throttle equals A1. That should do it. That is our control system. So after 5 seconds, at any time after 5 seconds, it will control the airspeed to be 40. Now let's see if that works. seconds. No. Slight error. Brakes are still on. I need to turn the brakes off. 3 to put in. Aircraft. Brakes. 0. So the brakes are 0 and the throttle is set, so try that one. Right, counting up, 5 seconds, the brakes are off. The aircraft is drifting over to the left, but that's normal for any single propeller small aircraft. You will need to put a bit of rudder on to keep it level, to keep it in a straight line. But as we can see, the speed now is being controlled to 40. Look at that dial there. So it's controlling the speed, so that is working. Now you need to modify this